All right, this is our new summer drop. We've got 4 new products. As you can see here, we've got sweatshirts, we've got 2 jumpers, black and gray, we've got a hoodie, and we've got a t-shirt. So this is the gray sweatshirt, embroidered logo, fits really nice. Then we've got the same thing in black, again, embroidered logo, fits super nice, looks really good. And then these are Andy's concepts. This is one of his new ones, the Crying Eyes. So we've got this on our Luxe hoodie with just a black hoodie. And then we've got the t-shirt as well, which has a front and back print. They're live on the website right now. And also, for every £10 you spend, you get the chance to win something pretty big. Our biggest thing ever, and you're gonna find out what it is in 1 minute when the video starts. All right, bit of backstory. 8 months ago, we bought an E36 that we found in a field. Long story short, Jack saw this E36 that was rotting away in a field. I'm pretty sure it was destined to just die and live there for the rest of its life. So we knocked on the door, we found the owner, we offered him some money, and we ended up buying this field find E36. We got it back to the unit, we spent 2 weeks doing it up, fixing it, we put an MOT on it, we gave it some love, and because we've got E36s already, and this was like a little 1.6, we didn't actually need it, so we sold it on. But a few weeks ago, I got a message from the guy who bought it from us, and he basically said he needs some money, he was gonna sell the E36, and did we fancy buying it back? So, I bought it back. Nice. So, the plan is, basically, that is an E36. My compact that I just pulled out is another one. I've already got 2, Jack's got 1. Don't need this.
I don't want one either.
No.
Don't start saying that. Don't start saying that.
So we've come up with a plan, and basically what we're gonna do with this car is give it to one of you guys. We don't need it, we don't want it, but it's kind of like the BQR car, so we kind of want it to go to one of you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give it away, but not yet. First, we need to fix it, because there's a bunch of issues, and I don't want to give it to someone if it's got issues. So, first things first, that first gear acceleration kangaroo hop thing.
Oh yeah.
Look at this.
Oh my God. Christ, didn't like that one hard, was it? But as you can see, she's a bit... Look at my foot. God! I reckon I can make the front end jump.
Do it again.
I think what happens is it gets you jumping, and then my foot, you can't control it. My foot's just doing that every jump, and it makes it worse and worse and worse and worse. Oh, brilliant.
Oh, Christ.
Ah, good.
Anyway, we have a suspicion what the problem is, don't we?
Yeah, I think I know what the problem is.
Pop the bonnet.
Pop it. Ugh.
We were having a good look over it because we thought it might be something to do with a vacuum leak or something, I don't know. We were looking at the intake boot, and
that could be a problem.
look at the size of that hole.
Unreal.
In this box here, we have a new boot.
Haha.
Is that the same one?
Yep. Yep.
Nice, right, let's swap that over and see if it fixes that.
The old buckaroo.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think that's like an idle control valve or something. And this was the issue.
Right. That on there like that. Oh yeah. It's in. Oh my God. Come on, baby. She's tight like tiger.
Right, let's see if that's fixed it. I hope it has.
I think it's idling there.
Yeah.
It was idling quite high. Oh my God. Yeah, I've fixed it.
Rag it. Lush. That's actually fixed, hasn't it?
Yeah, that has.
I bet it feels way nicer.
It does.
Tell you what, I'm actually very stoked that fixed that.
Yeah. It's nice when little things like that work, isn't it?
Yeah. Next job we're going to do is we're going to do a quick full service because I don't think this has ever been serviced.
Nah.
We didn't do it, did we?
No, we didn't do.
Nah.
So you can win. An E36 will pretty much next to nothing, and we all know what way they're going up, and that's up.
How's up?
Yeah.
Jack's E36 admin now.
I have, yeah. I know these cars, and if I were you, I would enter.
Invest.
Yeah.
I know these guys.
Yeah, brilliant.
I know these cars at the back of my hand.
And it's literally in it to win it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, you're watching this now thinking I'm not going to win it, but it could be you.
It's going to be you. You were gone there, weren't you? Oh, teasing it.
Wait, that's quite thin.
Yeah, this is old oil, I reckon.
Okay.
Yum. Basically, in case you're wondering, if you want to win this car, so if you go on block123.com, every £10 you spend counts as an entry. So if you spend 60 quid, you get 6 entries. And then next month, we're basically just going to put a whole spreadsheet together of everyone that's bought anything, and I'm going to do a random number generator, and someone is going to win this.
Yeah.
So if you spent 60 quid, you'll be numbers 1 to 6, for example. So then, do you know what I mean? Yeah. Spend a tenner, get an entry. Spend 100 quid, get 10 entries. But we'll talk about that more in a bit. We're gonna fix this up first. Next up is the fuel filter. Febby Bilstein.
Fee-buy.
That is a lovely technique. Is that from the new one?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, I'm full of it.
You went E36 King for no reason, are you?
Yeah. I've been in the game 6 years.
What, when you were 10?
I was born for these cars. I was put on this earth to service pretty much. Huh?
Your mum was getting nailed in the back of one.
You reckon? This is a new one. It's exactly the same. It's a better make actually. The one we took out to Crossland.
Ew.
15 years.
Oh, look at that.
In there, if I can do it.
Well, that's sketchy as fuck. That got me hot. I was like, oh, Jesus Christ, I'm a hot fluster or something. Christ.
Oh, it's the worst way to wake up, that, isn't it?
That was good, that.
Alright, that is shiny fuel filter done. So we'll do the oil filter now.
Lighting on the top.
There you go. Get 8. Hold on out. New one in. Next job, we just got to do spark plugs, because no idea when these were last changed. Four old spark plugs out. 4 freshies in. Just got the oil to do and then we're done. Done. Crank it for a bit. Alright, so quick full service done. Next problem we got is an exhaust leak, which is quite bad, and we think it's the manifold. Yeah, go on. Yeah. Yep. Kind of hoping that was just going to be a simple back box or like cat, where we could just do a little weld, but it's up in the manifold, so we're going to have to take the whole exhaust off.
Is it a massive leak?
Right up in the manifold, yeah. There goes my afternoon. Plan of action.
I'm going to see if they can tighten up.
Oh, that is a bit loose.
Star it, but
Still there. Is it? Really hard to tell, but I think that could have fixed it. Yeah, it has actually fixed it. As if. Yeah, definitely has. Sounded way worse than that before.
Must have been leaves.
The 4 new products are here, and we've got the sweatshirts, we've got hoodies, we've got jumpers, and every £10 you spend on the website will get you an entry into winning this E36. And also, everything you buy helps us out, and it means we can make more videos, and we can do more cool stuff like give away cars and things like that. So every purchase is appreciated, and we love you all, and hope you like the new drop. Every £10 you spend gets you 1 entry. So if you spend 60 quid, you get 6 entries, and you could win this car. One of the things that always gets me about cars, I reckon, my theory for cars, right, listen to this. This is proper, like, profound.
I bet it's bollocks.
If your steering wheel feels mank and your gear stick feels mank, the whole car feels mank.
I feel you for that.
It's the 2 things you touch, isn't it?
Yeah.
I took this on a test drive and I noticed that this was being horrible, so that's literally, it doesn't clip in anymore.
Oh!
There it is.
Yeah. When I was driving along, I nearly went into reverse.
Yeah, because it like spins and you just got that. So what we're gonna do? Get married.
You know, we're moving there.
See you later.
The handbrake up.
Okay, so this is it. Gear knob Mark II. Wow, that's fresh.
See if you can get it all in your gob.
Probably.
Other way.
We're gonna see how well.
Transmission falls out the top.
Oh my god, that feels unreal.
Classic.
That actually feels.
Really, those better. Stop, you little shit. Oh, that was awful. Anyway, that feels amazing.
Job done?
Job done.
Freshy on it.
What's next?
What about stereo? You got a stereo?
Oh, yeah, we do.
This is hilarious, actually.
I've seen that. Should I grab it?
Yeah.
Is it good?
This is amazing. The bloke that we bought it back off, he was like, yeah, I'll do you a good price on it, and blah, blah, blah. And he goes, on one condition, can I keep the head unit? Because I want to put it in my daily. And I was like, yeah, you can keep the head unit. So we currently have, there's no head unit. So I went on eBay. This isn't even sponsored by eBay. This is a single DIN Bluetooth head unit, $19.99. Let me have a look at this thing quick.
What?
That is actually a joke how light that is. I reckon that weighs 100 grams.
It's all a carbon fibre on
Shit.
it.
If anyone's never fitted a head unit, this is basically what you do. Get the cage off, put the cage in the hole, and then these things,
Bend them out, don't you?
you bend them out so it like fits in there nice.
Oh, go lad. See you, lad. You need to get tattooed here, just please grab. A bit wet as well, isn't it?
Why is your hand so sweaty?
How's that feeling? Oh yeah, nice. Wow.
Turn it
That
on.
actually doesn't look terrible. Ooh, it's lit up. Mode, Bluetooth. Are you connecting?
Connected.
Boy, you nasty, you got this. You nasty.
Do you know what? 20 quid. I'm happy with that. So, when I test drove this last time, it was raining and the wipers sucked. So I got some wipers. Sometimes when you like just want to fix a car and you just do the little bits, it actually makes a world of difference. Makes you like the car way more.
There you go.
Done.
No. That was good from you. I love our bottle shop. They cost me 30 quid. Jack.
Yeah, they actually work incredible.
Why you hope so?
Taking stuff off the list.
I know. So basically our plan for this is we're gonna take it on a road trip. We wanna like go somewhere fun in it and do something fun. Yeah. So all of this we're prepping so that it's actually drivable, because honestly before it wasn't. So we just gotta bleed the brakes, we gotta get some tyres, we gotta put an alignment on it, and then we're gonna take it to Wales or something, and we're gonna do a day trip, the three of us. And we got a good plan for it. We got a good plan for the road trip. So we're just getting ready. Give her a quick clean. Clean car.
Good car.
Clean car. Drives a lot nicer. We just need to get an alignment and then that'll be done. But we got fresh tyres. We fixed a bunch of problems and it's looking pretty sweet.
Spawn.
So like I said, we are going to give this car away to one of you guys. So basically the giveaway is every £10 you spend on our website, you get an entry. So if you spend 100 quid, you get 10 entries. If you spend 20 quid, you get 2 entries, so on. The competition is running from today, so the day this video goes live, and it's going to run until the 1st of September. So about 6 weeks. If you win this, then you can either come and collect it from here and we'll do like a big fun collection day, or we can arrange delivery for you. We want the car to go to one of you guys because we've done loads of work to it, haven't we?
Yep.
That's a cool car, so we want to see one of you guys have it. So that is the deal. Go on the website, bokka123.com, go buy some stuff and you will get a bunch of entries into winning the E36.
Very cool.
Very cool. All right, we'll see you in the next video. We're going to take this on a road trip and go do something fun with it. But until then, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.